everybody, this is Jesse from NAPCO Tech Support. And in this video, we're going to go over how to address your Fire SLC devices for the FireLink and GemC commercial platform. Here we have the NAPCO handheld programmer. We also have the PC board one, which comes attached to the FireLink 255XL. They both work the exact same way. The PC board one has only alligator clips. For smoke detectors, they're getting clipped this way. When you hold it, positive on the bottom, negative on the top. But to start it up, you press the left button. All our devices come as 127. That's a non-pole device. You can put 126 devices per SLC card. So to address it, your ones get moved on the right side. And then the 10s get moved on this side. So if we want to set this to 1, we press the top button, and then that will program the device. Also, the heat and smoke detectors can snap on to the handheld programmer. And also be addressed that way. Pull stations and modules can also be connected on the back with the alligator clips, or we have the plug which would go into here. All the modules have them, except for the EZM1. This gets plugged into the programmer. This is device 127, and we can move our left and right and make it any address we want. Hit the top button to save it. All right, now for part 2 of the video, we're going to go over how to program the Fire SLC devices on the FireLink cloud programming. First, you'll go to RF receivers SLC and make sure address 1 is set to SLC addressable fire. Using a second card, we would pick that if it was a really big system. Next, we're going to go to zone assignments, and zones 1 through 8 are always going to be loaded on the conventional FIM module that comes with every FireLink. We're going to go with SLC. We can start programming on any zone after zone 8. Start on this zone just for example. Give it a description. After the zone type, if it's this is our reporting code, the advanced code, that's what it's going to report to central station as. So we'll pick pull station. And if we're going to do SLC, we click on the RF SLC point. And then we're going to pick Fire SLC, the device type that we addressed. The receiver SLC address, which would be 1 because that's where we made the SLC card. The device address is what we programmed actually into the module or detector. Now, any zone can take any SLC address because we can make the pull station address 103 because, again, remember, we have 126 addressable points. We'll make it device point 1 and click OK, and then now that has been programmed. Also, don't forget to select your outputs for the zone. We can do the same with the next zone, with the smoke. Advanced code, we can make this a smoke detector. Same thing, the RF SLC point, we pick Fire SLC. For this device, we're going to pick photo smoke. The address card, again, is 1. And then, again, this can be any address, whatever we made it. Device point on the smoke is going to be 1. And then hit OK. Select our outputs and save. And I'm going to show you a EZM addressable module, an EZM 2-point module. This is a 2 conventional non-powered fire input device. And again, just to show you, you can put any SLC address on any zone. So this is the only time we'd use the second point if we had an EZM 2. as you can see, it'd be the first point. We would pick EZM2 dual input module. We would address as a 9, but it's on zone 249 on the FireLink XL. Device point for the first zone is going to be 1. And then on the second point on the module would be the exact same, even though have the exact same SLC address, but the device point is going to be 2. That's how the system will differentiate the 2 zones, and then they can be programmed for anything. Now, just to review, we went over how to address SLC modules and program them on the FireLink programming website. As always, for more information, you can visit the web at tech.napcosecurity.com. Thank you all for watching.